Welcome to Future Fuel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Civic, a car that continues to set benchmarks in the compact sedan segment. The Civic has been a household name for decades, and with this latest iteration, Honda takes it to a whole new level. A legacy reinvented. The Honda Civic has always been known for its reliability, efficiency, and practicality. In 2025, Honda builds on this legacy by introducing a sleeker design, enhanced technology, and improved performance. Whether you're a die-hard Civic fan or new to the lineup, the 2025 model promises something for everyone. Exterior design. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Civic is its bold new look. Honda has embraced a more aerodynamic silhouette, featuring sharp lines and a lower, wider stance. At the front, the redesigned grille and LED headlights give it an aggressive yet sophisticated vibe. Moving to the rear, the tail lights are now connected by a thin LED strip, adding a touch of modern elegance. New alloy wheel designs and available two-tone color options ensure the Civic looks as it drives. Interior comfort and tech inside. And it's clear, Honda has stepped up its game. The 2025 Civic boasts a refined cabin with high-quality materials and a minimalist design. Soft touch surfaces, optional leather upholstery, and ambient lighting create a premium feel. The centerpiece is the updated infotainment system, featuring a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda has also included a 12.3-inch digital driver display, giving you customizable access to everything from speed to navigation. For audiophiles, the available Bose premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio. And let's not forget about convenience. Features like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and ample storage spaces make every journey seamless. Learn more. As one researcher said, under the hood, the 2025 Civic offers a range of powertrain options tailored to different needs. The base models come equipped with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance. For those craving a bit more excitement, the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine without compromising fuel economy. But the real star of the lineup is the Civic Hybrid, featuring Honda's latest HEV system. It combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors. The result? Outstanding efficiency with a combined output of over 180 horsepower. The hybrid version is perfect for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to sacrifice performance. Driving dynamics. The 2025 Civic stays true to its roots, with sharp handling and a well-balanced ride. Thanks to an updated suspension system and improved steering response, it feels more agile than ever. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the Civic delivers a confident and enjoyable driving experience. For those seeking a sportier edge, the Civic Si and Type R variants are expected to arrive later in the year. These models promise track-inspired performance with upgraded engines, sport-tuned suspension, and unique styling cues. Safety first. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 Civic is no exception. It comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assist technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind for every drive. Honda has also improved the Civic's structural integrity with advanced materials and new safety features, making it one of the safest compact sedans on the market. Extron OR2. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Civic offers incredible value for its class. Pricing starts at an estimated $23,000 for the base model and goes up to around $30,000 for fully loaded trims. With its combination of style, technology, and performance, it's worth every penny. Expect the 2025 Civic to hit dealerships in early 2025. Given Honda's reputation and the Civic's enduring popularity, this model is sure to fly off the lot, so don't wait too long to check it out. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Civic is more than just a car. It's a statement of how far compact sedans have come. With its bold design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, it's ready to redefine the driving experience for a new generation. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a weekend road trip, or just cruising around town, the Civic is a car that can do it all. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest cars transforming the automotive landscape. What do you think of the 2025 Honda Civic? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.